Hey techies, Fluffy here, and today we're unboxing and reviewing Vivo's latest wearable, the Vivo Watch GT. It's sleek, it's smart, and it promises a battery life longer than your last situationship. This is Vivo's first square watch design, and we've got the summer black variant in hand. Let's see if it lives up to the hype or if it's just another wrist ornament with commitment issues. Now, this summer black version comes with a soft rubber strap. There's also a cloud white model with a leather band if you're feeling fancy. The watch weighs just 33 grams, so it's light and snug, like it's barely there but still doing the work. Water resistance, it's rated 2 atmospheres, which means it can survive splashes and shallow dip. This is Vivo's first square-faced watch, and I gotta say, it works. The 2.5D curved AMOLED display is a generous 1.85 inches with a crisp 450x390 resolution and a smooth 60Hz refresh rate. Navigating around the UI is buttery smooth. Indoors, outdoors, under direct sunlight, this thing stays bright and readable. It's responsive too. Every swipe, tap, and scroll registers instantly. No lag, no drama, just clean interaction. Now let's talk features. The Vivo Watch GT packs a punch. AI-powered 24/7 health monitoring, infrared sleep tracking that's non-intrusive, Professional Racket Sports Mode, yes, badminton and tennis fans, this one's for you. Track mode for precise playground running. Battery life, a whopping 21 days. That's almost 3 weeks of juice. You could go on vacation, forget your charger, and still come back with battery to spare. You can also answer phone calls directly from the watch, but only regular phone numbers. No Messenger, no Viber. We tested the mic and speaker quality, and let's just say you won't be ditching your phone anytime soon. Audio was a bit distorted and glitchy. You look like a spy, but sound like a walkie-talkie from 1998. The Vivo Watch GT runs on Vivo Blue OS, and it's snappy. The companion app is Vivo Health, which also supports other Vivo wearables. Syncing is mostly smooth, but we did hit a few snags. Occasionally, the watch forgets it's paired and asks you to sign in again. It's like that one friend who always forgets your birthday, still lovable, but mildly annoying. Notifications come in fast, almost as fast as your phone. You'll get alerts for calls, texts, and apps, but you can't reply to social media messages directly from the watch. So yes, you'll still need your phone to clap back at trolls. Our verdict, we give the Vivo Watch GT the silver rating. For Vivo users, this watch fits nicely into the ecosystem. It's a solid entry into smartwatches, especially for fitness fans and health trackers. Just don't expect it to replace your phone's call quality or messaging apps. The summer black variant retails at $7,599 while the cloud white leather version goes for $8,099. That's it for today's unboxing and review. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let us know in the comments, would you wear the Vivo Watch GT or are you holding out for something rounder, louder, or cheaper?